Hey guys, in the last session we have seen a numerical based on design of beam. Now in this session we will see another numerical problem based upon the design of beam. So the question is that a simply supported steel joist of 4 meter effective span is laterally supported, okay, throughout lateral supported throughout. It carries a total uniformly load UDL of 40 kN inclusive of self weight. Design a appropriate section using steel of grade Fe410. So for solving this question, first of all we have to collect data. Okay. So for Fe410 we know Fy is 250 Newton per mm square. Now partial safety factor gamma mo will be 1.1. Okay, and partial safety factor for load will be 1.5, that is gamma f will be 1.5. Now it is given that total UDL is 40 kilonewton. So total factored load is equal to 40 into 1.5, that is 60 kilonewton. Now maximum bending moment. Okay, so maximum bending moment m will be wl square by 8. So that is wl into l by 8. Okay, so wl is our total factored load. So 60 into l is 4 by 8, that is 30 kilonewton meter, since the length is given 4 meter. Okay, now for this much amount of bending moment, plastic section मॉडुलस रिक्वायर्ड, इस अमाउंट के लिए प्लास्टिक सेक्शन मॉडुलस कितना चाहिए? तो डेट विल बी जेड पी जेड रिक्वायर्ड विल बी एम गामा नॉट बाई एफ वाई, सिंस मोमेंट क्या होता है, डेट इज जेड पी जेड इंटू एफ वाई बाई गामा एम ओ. सो क्या है, सिर्फ री अरेंजमेंट है ये. ठीक है, सो एम इज आवर 30, gamma mo is 13 to 10 power 6, gamma mo is 1.1 divided by 250, so it is 30, so it will be 132 into 10 to power 3. Okay, now mm cube. सो अब हमें इतना 132 इंटू 10 टू पावर 3 जेड पी जेड चाहिए. सो चूज अ सेक्शन which gives 132 into 10 to power 3 mm cube as ZPZ from steel table. So let try ISLB 200 at the rate 194.2 Newton per meter. So the properties of ISLB 200 at the rate 194 Newton per meter are: H is 200 mm, BF is 100 mm, TF is 7.3 mm, width of flange and thickness of flange. TW, thickness of web, is 5.4 mm, radius at root is 9.5 mm, depth will be H minus 2 TF plus R1. So H is 200 minus 2, TF is 7.3, R1 is 9.5. Sorry, so it is 166.4 mm. Now moment of inertia about z axis is I, zz is 1696.6 into 10 to the power 4 mm4. Z pz is 184.34 into 10 to the power 3 into mm क्यूब. और मेरे को चाहिए कितना था 132. हमने कौन सा सेक्शन चूज किया? ISLB 200 जिसका जेड पी जेड कितना है 184 and ZEZ is 169.70 into 10 to the power 3 mm क्यूब. ठीक है. अब हमें चेक करना है कि ये सेक्शन कैसा है, वेदर इट इज प्लास्टिक, कॉम्पैक्ट और सेमी कॉम्पैक्ट. सो सेक्शन क्लासिफिकेशन. नो, तो सेक्शन क्लासिफिकेशन एप्सिलॉन विल बी रूट ओवर 250 बाई FY एंड फॉर F410 FY is 250. So it will be equal to 250 divided by 250 root over, that is 1. So epsilon is 1. Now B is BF by 2 and BF is 100 by 2 is equal to 50 mm. So B by TF is 50 by 7.3 is 6.849. So it is less than 9.4 epsilon. ठीक है. Now D by TW, so D is 166.4 and TW is 5.4, so it is 30.81 mm. So this is also less than 13.81 is less than 84. This is given in table 2 of IS 800 2007. okay. So ये होगा. Now अब इस दोनों के अकॉर्डिंग क्या पता चल गया कि therefore section is plastic. ठीक है. अब now next, now since D by TW is 30.91, it is also less than 67 epsilon. Okay, so therefore shear buckling मेरे को रिक्वायर नहीं होगा, shear buckling check. तो therefore shear buckling check of wave is not required. Okay. Now check for shear capacity. Okay, now we have to check for shear capacity. अब क्या है, डिजाइन shear strength of section. डिजाइन shear strength of section VD is VN by gamma MO. ठीक है, तो VN क्या हो जाएगा, Fy by root 3 gamma mo into h tw. So it is 250 divided by root 3 multiplied by 1.1 whole multiplied by 200 into tw. Tw is 5.4. So it is equal to 250 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 5.5 divided by root over 3 divided by 1.1. So it is 141.713 kilonewton. So this is also less than, oh sorry, this is greater than 30 kilonewton. So it is safe in shear. This particular section is safe in shear. Now next we have to check for whether it is in high shear condition or in low shear. So check for high shear or low shear. So 0.6 VD, okay, so 0.6 into 141.713, so it is 85.02 kilonewton. So since this value is less than, since this is the case of low shear, because V is less than 0.6 VD, okay. Okay, V is less than 0.6 VD. Earlier we have found out that V is 30 kilonewton. Okay, sorry, uh, maximum shear force V will be equal to WL by 2. मैक्सिमम shear force V क्या होगा, जो भी मेरा लोड लग रहा है डिवाइडेड बाई 2, तो डेट इज लोड इज आवर WL इज आवर 60 by 2, that is 30 kilonewton. Okay, so that अब क्या है ये V का वैल्यू यानी 30 इज लेस देन 0.6 VD, 0.6 VD that is 85.02 kilonewton. Okay, so this is case of low shear. Okay, and earlier we have found out that VD is 141.713. It is also very much greater than 30 kilonewton. मतलब मैक्सिमम शेयर फोर्स इतना लग रहा है लेकिन जो सेक्शन है वो इतना कैरी कर सकता है, तो ये सेफ है. okay. Hence safe in shear. ठीक है. Now next check for design बेंडिंग स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है, अब डिज़ाइन बेंडिंग स्ट्रेंथ के लिए चेक करना है. तो प्लास्टिक है, डेट इज बीटा बी इज इक्वल टू 1 बिकॉज ऑफ प्लास्टिक सेक्शन. ओके, सो डिज़ाइन बेंडिंग स्ट्रेंथ, ओके, एम डी क्या हो जाएगा, तो इट इज़ बीटा बी जेड पी जेड एफ वाई बाई गामा एम नॉट. ठीक है, और ये लेस देन 1.2 जेड ई जेड एफ वाई बाई गामा एम नॉट होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा बीटा बी इज़ 1, जेड पी जेड इज़ 184.34 इंटू 10 टू पावर 3 into 250 by gamma mo is 1.1 to 10 to power 6 minus 6 for this is for converting it into kilonewton meter. So it is 41.895 kilonewton meter, and this value is 1.2. ZEZ is 169.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 into 250 divided by 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So it is 46.28 kilonewton meter. So condition is this condition satisfied, that is uh, beta ZPZ is less than 1.2 ZEZ, means 41.895 is less than 46.28 kilonewton meter. Hence, okay. now अब shear चेक हो गया, बेंडिंग स्ट्रेंथ चेक हो गया। अब नाउ अब क्या चेक करना है, तो चेक फॉर डिफ्लेक्शन। देखो, चेक फॉर डिफ्लेक्शन, ठीक है। सो परमिसिबल डिफ्लेक्शन डेल इज इक्वल टू L बाई 300 फ्रॉम IS 800 2007। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, L 4 इंटू 10⁻³ डिवाइडेड बाई 300, तो इट इज़ 13.13 mm। ओके, एंड मैक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन, मैक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन क्या होगा, डेल कैलकुलेटेड 5/384 WL4 डिवाइडेड बाई EI, ठीक है। सो 5 divided by 384, W is 40 into 10 to the power 3 into 4 into 10 to the power 3 का whole cube divided by 2 into 10 to the power 5 into 1696.6 into 10 to the power 4, that is 9.82 mm, ठीक है। So maximum deflection is less than permissible deflection, okay। So 9.82 is less than 13.13, hence okay, ठीक है, यानी डिफ्लेक्शन भी सही है। नाउ नेक्स्ट, अब चेक फॉर वेब bearing, sorry, now we have done check for deflection, which is okay, bending strength, which is also good, shear capacity, this also satisfied, okay। So this condition satisfied, so we can use the section ISLB 200 at the rate 194.2 kilonewton meter, sorry, Newton per meter as a joist beam. So this much for this session. So guys, stay home, stay safe, stay inside in this pandemic situation. We will meet in next session with some another topic. Till then, God bless you. Namaskar.